Jonas, kig væk.
Ja, nu.
Man kan ikke se hans krop.
Nej, skal jeg hovedet med til siden?
Okay, wait.
Or maybe Brecht want to take here first.
No, you do my flashes again, Jason.
Gentle movement.
Ja, hvis vi går på den anden.
No, I think she'll get there if we just do very gentle movement.
Yeah, okay. I don't know why it's not working.
Just, yeah. Take your time to fix it.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Otherwise you can use our flash after.
But it's a different
Your
system, it won't work.
Yeah, I'm sure it will work. You can just use my channel.
Få en flot en op fra.
Sorry for the smoke.
Hvor her?
Oh, yeah, see it moving.
Somewhat.
Yeah, the position. What happened?
Jeg er bange for, at jeg stadigvæk er kommet så tæt på den.
Yeah.
Okay, ja.
Ja.
Så er den lidt mere heroppe. Så er der bedre lige sådan her. Her måske. Den er bare lidt for lang. Ja, så her.
Hvordan er belysningen?
This is fint, it's lang, men bare for høj. But the snake is just too big for the picture of this lens here.